Don't looking for love. Love will come, because sometimes maybe you are hurt, you separate with your partner. Don't be in rush to move on. Even your partner moves on, sometimes you have to take your time, especially women. Don't look for love, because when you look for love, you can hate more than your previous relationship. So sometimes you have to take your time, concentrate with work, even with your kids, even when we have got kids, than to concentrate with men. Guys, don't look for love. Love will come to you sometimes. Don't be in rush to move on. Even you know that your ex moves on, don't move on because your ex move on. You have, guys, to take your time, because you are living your life, not living other people's life. Other people, they want to move on, or to prove to their exes that maybe they are being in love again. They want to prove to their exes. No, you can hate again, because guys, the devil that you know is better than the angel you do not know. Because sometimes you can say you want to move on quickly, and that person is worse than your ex. Your ex maybe was better than the new person. So sometimes take your time, guys, and don't look for love. Love will come. Than every time you are always being in rush or competition to move on, and you get hate again.